GATE 2021. Why should I write GATE exam? What is the use? Do you have questions like this? You get the answer here. When you did not get the admission in IIT, even after several months of hard work, you have one more chance. If you have a good GATE score, after completed your BE, you can get MTech admission in IIT or IISc. Qualifying in GATE is a mandatory requirement for seeking admission and financial assistance to master's and doctoral programs in many of the leading universities and institutes in India. Not only India, some foreign universities such as National University of Singapore, Nanyang Technological University, etc. are considering the GATE score in their admission process. Moreover, several public sector companies such as Nuclear Power Corporation of India, Indian Oil Corporation, etc. are used to shortlist the candidates for employment using their GATE scores. Okay, what do you mean by GATE exam? Who does conduct? Where is the venue? When the exam will be conducted? If you want to know the answer for these questions, watch this video completely. Please share these details to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering, shortly GATE, is a national level examination conducted jointly by Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, and 7 IITs at Bombay, Delhi, Guwahati, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Chennai, and Roorkee. Every year, any one of these institutions is used to organize the exam. This year, GATE 2021 is organized by IIT Bombay. IITs are responsible to conduct the exam and announce the results. It is the candidate's responsibility to apply for higher studies or job using his GATE score. What is the eligibility for GATE 2021? Who are all can attend GATE 2021? A candidate who is currently studying in the third or higher years of any undergraduate degree program or has already completed any government approved degree program in engineering or technology or architecture or science or commerce or arts is eligible for appearing in the GATE 2021 exam. Now we are going to see some highlights of GATE 2021. GATE 2021 is a fully online computer based test. Total number of subject papers are 27. The syllabus of all subject papers are revised for this year. If anyone attended in the last year, you can't use the same syllabus for this year. You have to go to the GATE official website and download the new syllabus and start preparing. Minimum age limit is you have to study third year or the higher years, but there is no upper age limit. At any age you can appear. If you want to apply for GATE 2021, you can apply through online only, through the website GOPS. GOPS means GATE Online Application Processing System. The students who are currently studying third year may think, what is the need to write the GATE exam? Anyway, I am going to complete the engineering after 2 years, but GATE score is valid for 3 years. Even after the completion of BE, you can get the admission of MTech using your GATE score. Depending on COVID situation, the schedule of the GATE examination may change. For further details, you can refer the official website. GATE 2021 offers 27 papers. You can choose a paper which is relevant to you. Some of you may feel another paper looks easier other than a paper of your discipline. Maths students may feel statistics is also easy to prepare. At that time, they may confuse which paper to choose, maths or statistics. But they are allowed to choose both the papers and write the exam. But no need to use two application forms. You can mention the two papers in a single application to apply. Now, you can write the exams for both papers and will get 2 gate scores. You are allowed to use both the scores for further admission or job. Total marks of this exam is 100. In it, general aptitude carries 15 marks and the paper you chose carries 85 marks. But the mark system, that is 15 plus 85 equal to 100, has some changes in the last 3 papers. We are going to see what are the changes one by one. First, engineering sciences. It's code XE. In this subject, there are 3 sections. Engineering Max is in the first section. It's a compulsory section. You must study this. It carries 15 marks. For other sections, 7 subjects are given as fluid mechanics, material science, solid mechanics, thermodynamics, polymer science and engineering, food technology, atmospheric and oceanic sciences. You can choose any 2 options from these 7 sections. Each optional section carries 35 marks. Hence, for 2 sections, 2 into 35, 70 marks. Add the 15 marks of the compulsory section, you get 85 marks. Remaining 15 marks are from general aptitude. This engineering sciences paper can be chosen as a secondary choice by mechanical and physics people. Next, humanities and social sciences. Its code XH. In this paper, compulsory section has reasoning and comprehension. It carries 25 marks. You have to choose any one paper in the optional section, which consists of 6 papers as economics, English, linguistics, philosophy, psychology and sociology. It carries 60 marks. So 60 plus 25 equal to 85 marks. Remaining 15 marks is for general aptitude. The last one is life sciences. Its code XL. In this paper, compulsory section has chemistry. It carries 25 marks. You have to choose any 2 papers in the optional sections out of 5 papers as biochemistry, botany, microbiology, zoology and food technology. One optional section carries 30 marks. So, for 2 optional sections, 2 into 30 equal to 60 marks. So, 60 plus 25 equal to 85 marks. As usual, remaining 15 marks are allotted for general aptitude. Suppose you wish to choose 2 papers. Candidates opting to appear in 2 subject papers must have primary choice of paper, which will be their default choice, and the secondary choice of paper, which has to be chosen from the allowed combinations. The combinations of the papers are given in the table. If your primary choice is AE, which is in the first row of the table, then your secondary choice should be XE. There is no other choice. If you choose number 7 CH as your primary choice, then your secondary choice should be CY or PE or XE. GATE 2021 does not take any responsibility of wrong choices of either primary or secondary paper as well as both papers by candidate. For change of paper, the candidate has to request for change by paying appropriate fee. Pattern of examination. Examination mode is online computer based test, totally 3 hours duration, total number of papers 27. For all 27 papers, it covers 2 sections, general aptitude and candidate selected subject. Then marking scheme, all the question will have either 1 mark or 2 mark. And there are 3 type of questions: multiple choice questions MCQ, multiple select questions MSQ and numerical answer type questions. The first one, multiple choice questions MCQ. MCQ carrying 1 or 2 marks each in all the papers and sections. These questions are objective in nature and each will have choice of 4 answers, out of which only 1 choice is correct. For a wrong answer chosen in MCQ, there will be negative marking. For 1 mark MCQ, 1/3 mark will be deducted for a wrong answer. Likewise, for 2 mark MCQ, 2/3 mark will be deducted for a wrong answer. Second one, multiple select questions, MSQ. MSQ carrying 1 or 2 marks each in all the papers and sections. These questions are objective in nature and each will have choice of 4 answers, out of which 1 or more choices are correct. There is no negative marking for a wrong answer in MSQ questions. Third one, numerical answer type questions. This type of questions carrying 1 or 2 marks each in most of the papers and sections. So usually problematic questions are asked in this type. No choices will be shown for these type of questions. So a virtual calculator is displayed on the screen. You can use the virtual calculator and calculate the answer and type in the given virtual numeric keypad on the monitor. The given questions are used to test the candidate's abilities to recall, comprehension, application, analysis and synthesis. In all the papers, there will be a total of 65 questions carrying 100 marks, out of which 10 questions carrying a total of 15 marks will be on general aptitude. Distribution of marks in all papers except AR, CY, EY, GG, MA, PH, XH and XL. These papers are mostly engineering discipline papers in which general aptitude carries 15 marks and remaining 85 marks is allotted to the subject, in which 13 marks is assigned to engineering mathematics. Next, distribution of marks in papers AR, CY, FY, GG, MA, PH, XH and XL. So mostly they are non-engineering papers, so in which general aptitude carries 15 marks and the remaining marks is given to the subject, that is 85 marks. Tentative list of exam cities. So totally 9 zones, 8 national zone and 1 international zone. First zonal gate office is located in IISc Bangalore, in which 30 cities are there. Second zone is at IIT Bombay, in which 27 cities are there. Third zone is at IIT Delhi, in which 20 cities are there. Fourth zone is at IIT Guwahati, in which 21 cities are there. Fifth zone is at IIT Kanpur, in which 12 cities are there. Sixth zone is at IIT Kharagpur, in which 23 cities are there. Seventh zone is at IIT Madras, in which 40 cities are there. Eighth zone is at IIT Roorkee, in which 22 cities are there. And ninth zone is an international zone, in which 6 countries are there. 1 exam center is allotted for each country. If the COVID situation will not come to normal by November 2020, then international centers will be cancelled. Choice of examination city. The candidate can choose 4 cities from the list of examination cities given in the previous slides. The first, second and third choices must be from the same gate zone and fourth choice can be from any gate zone. So important point, the gate committee reserves the right to add a new city or remove an existing one and allot a city that may not be from any of the choices selected by the candidate. Data requirement for filling the online application form at GOAPS, that is Gate Online Application Processing System. Before applying online, it is better to collect the required data. Now we are going to see what are the data required to apply GATE 2021 online. Personal information, that is candidate's name, date of birth, personal mobile number, parent's name, parent's mobile number, etc. Never add anything before your name. So like Dr., Mr., Miss, etc. Address for communication, your address including PIN code. Then your degree details and your college name and address with PIN code. And the paper what you have chosen, whether it is a single paper or a double paper. 4 choices of GATE examination cities. Just now we have seen you have to choose 4 choices of examination cities and the GATE allot any one of the 4 choices to you. candidate's photograph should be uploaded. A good quality image of candidate signature conforming to the requirements specified, and put a signature on a white paper and scan it and upload it. Scanned copy of category SC or ST certificate in PDF format if applicable. Scanned copy of PWD certificate in PDF format if applicable. PWD means persons with disability, that is physically challenged people. Also attach the scanned copy of certificate of dyslexia in PDF format if applicable. And the details of the valid photo identity document like Aadhaar card, voter's ID. The same ID must be carried to the examination hall. Also, you have to pay the fee online. So for that, you can use net banking, debit card, credit card or UPI details. If you don't have the facilities while applying, keep the parents along with you. With the help of them, you can apply. Important dates to be remembered for GATE 2021. The first one is the application will open 14th September 2020 and the link will close 30th September 2020. So you have 2 weeks time. If you miss to apply within this time, you will have 1 more week time. The date is extended to 7th October. So if you miss it, you can apply with a late fee by 7th October. And if you want to change your category like SC, ST, OBC, or you want to change your paper or examination city, you can apply by 13th November 2020, but you have to pay an additional fee. Admit cards will not be sent by post or as an email attachment. Admit card can only be downloaded from the GOBS website from 8 January 2021. You must bring this card along with an original photo identity document to the examination hall. GATE 2021 examination will be conducted over 6 days and 12 sessions on 5th, 6th, 7th February 2021 and 12th, 13th, 14th February 2021. There are 2 sessions per day, forenoon session 9 am to 12 noon, afternoon session 3 pm to 6 pm. Results will be announced on 22nd March 2021. The GATE score is valid for 3 years from the date of announcement of the results. Application fee. You have to pay the fee per paper. If you have chosen 2 papers, you have to pay the double amount of fee. For female candidates and SC or ST or physically challenged people, 750 rupees. For all other candidates, 1500 rupees. This fee should be paid by 30th September 2020. If you miss to pay before this date, then you will have an extended period from 1st to 7th October 2020. In this period, female candidates and SC, ST and physically challenged people will have to pay 1250 and other candidates will have to pay 2000 rupees. We have seen so much information so far, but some other details available at the official website gate.iitb.ac.in. Syllabus for each of the papers. Syllabus for all the 27 papers have been given in the website, so you can see and download it. Previous year's question papers and answer keys, that is past 3 years question papers and answer keys are available 2018, 19 and 20. Frequently asked question. Students have many more questions. Most of the questions have been answered here. And finally, information brochure. So total number of pages 165 pages. It contains syllabus, previous question papers, frequently asked questions. It contains everything. Whatever information we have seen here is limited. For further information, you can refer the GATE official website. If you want more educational updates like this, please subscribe the channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you.